How do pronouns work in Irish? Have you ever wondered how pronouns function in the Irish language? It's fascinating to see how they differ from English and reflected the unique structure of Irish grammar. In Irish, the typical word order is verb-subject-object. This means that personal pronouns often follow the verb, which can change their form. There are three main types of personal pronouns in Irish: conjunctive, disjunctive, and emphatic. Conjunctive pronouns come right after the verb and act as the subject. Disjunctive pronouns stand alone or are used for emphasis, often following prepositions. Emphatic pronouns add extra emphasis and can be either conjunctive or disjunctive. Unlike English, Irish pronouns do not change from based on grammatical case. Instead, they have specific forms depending on their role in a sentence. For example, the third-person singular masculine subject pronoun is she, meaning he, while the object form is acute, meaning him. The feminine forms are she, meaning she, and acute, meaning her. For plural third-person pronouns, you have syad, meaning they, and iad, meaning them. An interesting modern twist is the use of syad as a gender-neutral singular pronoun, similar to the English singular they. This shift reflects changing social attitudes and how language evolves over time. Possession in Irish is marked by possessive pronouns like mo, meaning my, do, meaning your, and meaning his, her, or their. These pronouns cause initial consonant changes, known as mutation, on the following noun. For instance, mo ben translates to my wife, where ben, meaning woman, becomes ben after mo. If you are traveling in Ireland, knowing how pronouns work can help you communicate better. When you hear Irish speakers, pay attention to the verb-subject order and the different pronoun forms. Using simple pronouns like me, meaning I or me, tu, meaning you in the singular, and sib, meaning you in the plural, can help you introduce yourself or ask questions. Recognizing she and she for he and she will also help you follow conversations or stories. Overall, understanding Irish pronouns is essential for grasping the language's grammar and appreciating its cultural identity. Learning these basics will certainly enrich your experience while engaging with the language during your travels in Ireland.